Bonjour. That's hello in French. And welcome to Tiny Treasures. We're outside today. Ooh, it's a bit windy, but it's a beautiful fall day. The leaves are starting to turn colors, reds, yellows, oranges. We're gonna have fun with our Barbapapa toy today. There's a ball ramp, and there's a yellow piece, and the ball is gonna roll down, and it's gonna go through this hole, and then if we turn it around, it goes down the pink ramp, and then through another hole, and down another pink ramp, and it stops and goes through the hole here, and then it goes down the green ramp, and finally it comes out here, and the ball will hit the bell and ring it. But where are the balls? They must be hiding in the garden somewhere. Do you see them? Oh, there they are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. Each ball has a different face on it. Let's start with the blue ball. Oh, there's a little bug. Look out, little bug. The bell rung. Now let's try 2 balls at a time. The yellow and the red one. And last but not least, the green ball. Now we'll try it from the side so you can get a better view. Well, thanks for learning with us today, and thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.